Hello. Look at us.
Is it camera?
Ken is overwhelmed.
I don't like me. It's scaring me.
Come on in.
Hi, girly.
Happy Halloween.
Please take off your coat.
How are you doing? Just taking a video.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry.